Okay, so we're still waiting on angle kit stuff. Obviously, as everything sits on the floor there. We are changing the stock chain tensioner as it's like failing. It doesn't like the cams. So Callum's ripping the valve cover off for the 5th time.
And a new gasket actually. Maybe we'll toss that on.
Yeah, we can toss it on. That, and that's pretty much it today. Oh, and he got a new powder coated valve cover. Wow. So that's it. He's working on ripping that off. He's making sure we don't get demonetized, which we're not even monetized, which this channel would never make money.
Don't say that.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Hey, don't say that.
Okay, next thing I'll let the valve cover be off. Yep, the engine's still there.
Clear. Mazworks
Okay.
tensioner.
Mazworks tensioner in now. It's all set. We got a 1/4 inch of plate at the top, and then the new shiny valve cover. Do your curtsy. Do your curtsy. Do your Yep. Wow.
Here you go. Big reveal.
Big reveal. Don't rush it. Make sure those back gaskets go on right.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, that changes the bay. That looks really good.
That's the money. God damn it. Take the fucking phone away.
When the phone comes out, you can't do it.
What's going on, guys? Back then. Okay, what's up, guys? Already did the intro, but here we go. Okay, so I assembled it all, put all my stuff on, tightened everything up. Now, we have to pretty much center the rack, and then we can. So I took the tie rods.
So now the issue we got is, well, hold on, there we go.
Yeah.
The inner tie rod length now with these lower control arms are a little off, so we just need to first center the rack, which will show you how to do that. And then we got to figure out if we need longer or shorter tie rods, which I'm pretty sure we need shorter ones. And we'll show you what we do for that as well.
These are S13 ones, I swear.
These are S14, but they also have the offset rack spacers, which also pushes the S14 one out.
Yeah.
So, all right, yeah. So Callum got it all together. She's almost ready to get down on the ground. And then, yeah, we'll click back to us centering the rack. Okay, so this part here will show you how to center your rack. So Callum, you want to push that tie rod all the way in. Okay, so what we're going to be watching here is the steering linkage. Arlen, can you just grab that tie rod there and pull it on that side? Okay, so Callum's going to push, Arlen's going to pull. So what we're going to watch is the steering shaft.
Are you pulling?
Pull.
Hey, pull like a man, not a girl. How far do you want to pull? Till it
Until
goes.
she bottoms out.
Alright, she's bottomed
Okay,
out.
let's see here. Make sure it's bottomed out. I'll turn it. Yeah, it's bottomed out. So what we want to do is pick a mark on the rack, the steering shaft to mark to the rack. So what we'll do is we'll go to this nut right here to here. Now go the opposite way. You push, Charlotte.
Okay.
So there. Now we're about, well, I can't mark it over there now. There, that's bottomed out. I'm with my hand like manually turning it. So we know about on the opposite side of this bolt. Oh, I'm not showing what I'm doing. Opposite side of this bolt. So what you need to be now is count the turns between rotations lock to lock. And then what you want to do is just half those turns. So if we have 3 full rotations to the left from lock on the right and then to the left, we need to come back to 1.5. Yeah. And so these marks, this mark I'm just have it there because I can't see the backside there. If you had the rack on a bench, you could do it really easily. But I know kind of roughly that the mark should be on the backside here. And so, okay, now we'll count rotations. So go back. So we'll go, yeah. We're at 1, going 2, and then 3, and we're actually like 3.5. So now what we'll do is from this mark. Now, okay, push it back now.
So 1 3/4.
Yeah, so we'll go, okay, going, that's 1, and then hold on.
See this little mark? Isn't that supposed to help you?
Yeah, well this moves. This is just like a rubber thing. Where we want to be. So yeah, actually coincidentally, it does line up. So I think that actually whoever rebuilt the rack actually put that on straight. Because if that mark on the other side there was, I marked it,
Yeah.
that point now is actually, we want to be is halfway in between that mark that you first made and the mark that it would be on the back, if that makes sense. So right there, we're about half. And then another way we can confirm it is we can pop these boots off and pretty much just measure where the end of the racks are, and they should be equal.
Should we do that?
We can do that, yeah, they're just zip tied. Okay, so we took the boots off, so we're should be centered there. So we come up here to the stop there. We're at 2 3/4. We come here. We're at
But at least it's the kit like yours, like goes around
3. So actually pull the rack a little bit towards you, Callum, a little bit. Just a hair. Like we're very close.
Oh.
You can turn it with you just turn the shaft with your hand. Oh, a little too much.
Too much
So
juice.
reach
Callum.
up there, and just turn the shaft with your hand. The steering shaft. Yeah, yeah, okay. Right. 2 7/8. And we're at 2 3/4 still. So we'll go a little bit more, pull it up this way more. More? Yeah, yeah.
Which line? The big line, small line?
The little line. Right about there. And we're right about there. Pretty much centered, right there. Cool. So now we'll make sure the steering wheel's straight. If not, we'll pull the hub off the steering wheel.
I don't give a fuck about that. I just want this to be bam, bam.
Yeah, no acronym problems.
Even.
Even
That's what we're
Steven.
looking for.
Have you seen the surgery? Have you seen the surgery where the needle goes through people? They keep you awake and they numb your eye and they literally because you have no nerve.
And one way to clean the threads,
Keep a nut
put the
on,
nut on.
and boom, you got
Run the
clean
nut.
threads.
Yeah.
I don't think they can put you under volume as it's all fucked up.
Yeah.
Not bad.
There you go. Look at that. Look at that.
Clean threads.
So now we'll test again. Let's see if we cut off enough. There, she goes on further now. Let's rock the wheel straight.
Holy, it's gonna be close.
Damn, we are close. We are close. close. Very close. That's it. That's all she's got.
What if we take the rack spacer off?
No. Too much work. You know what? That's towed out though. My eye alignment is telling me that's towed out.
I don't know. From here, it looks towed in. Maybe. Oh, maybe it is towed out. Yeah.
Depends on what side you look at it.
I know.
See those fingers?
Please.
I still dropped it.
Let's just put it on. See what happens.
Yeah, it's Callum's car.
I have to align this.
So you're trying to make it as easy.
Yeah, I don't
possible.
want to take it off.
That's the turn button.
I'll do this in the vice.
Hey, what are you gonna take a little fucking cut hair off? Take a little bit more.
No, that's all we need.
Keep running of adjustment, and you're like, oh, I should have took a little bit more off.
Well, I think we're already good, so this is an extra already insurance. They're on backwards, man.
Sure.
Maybe have them in your hand looking at
The
the
control
car.
arms are on backwards,
Dude.
and they're just figuring it out now.
What are you talking like that? Fucking weirdo. Freak off.
Look at this thing,
They're
it looks-
100% on backwards.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
It just looks all fucked up.
Yeah?
Yeah, it looks all fucked up. Look at the fucking angle on this shit. Oh my. Yeah, they're for sure 100% backwards. Is that even possible? Can they even do that? If you took that, you took that. What?
What did you just do with your hands?
The power of X. The controller's like this, and the bolts for the tension's are like this. So if I go like this, we flip them. Wait, no, hold on.
That would have worked. Your theory is going to work. Yeah, people just turn.
We rotated this. Ouch.
Yeah, really.
There's like smoke coming out of my ears. It's so confusing.
Well, show them the other side if you're going to film.
Show them why we came to this conclusion.
Yeah.
Because of the caster?
And their drop knuckles.
We got some caster. Callum's officially one of those static dudes now.
Oh.
Well, we'll figure this out after break time. The pizza has arrived.
Shims in on the bottom, then put the washer and nuts on, and once hand tied, it's
Okay, so we got the tie rods all, oh, that's really bright. The tie rods all cut up and everything's fine. So, Callum put these on upside down, so we just gotta flip around the bump stops. We're doing that. We already set that side, the bump stop. So you can see it contacts the tie rod before it bottoms out on the rack. Just right about. So the Ackerman looks already way better. You're the gatekeeper.
You need the light?
No, that's good. Okay, we'll show you the end result soon. So we thought that the lower control arms were flipped, but they're not. They weren't. It just looked like the car had a lot of I don't know if it's negative caster, I guess. So we wound these FDF tension rods all the way in, and now the caster's a lot better. So we did final alignment check. These are drop knuckles, so I think they're 1.5 inch, 2-inch drop knuckles. So we had to raise the coil over. So Callum did that. He's just putting the rack boots back on. We're gonna snug everything up. You can take it for a drive. The Ackerman is much better now. once you pop that on, he pops these on, we'll show the acronym. You want to turn it now, Callum? So if you remember the previous video, so that's the angle this way now. You can see the trailing wheel now. It's much more. So we're even on both sides now. So it's good. We're gonna tighten it up and we'll go test some angle, see how much angle it has. Callum, give him the check. Nice. Go that way. I just told him to calm down because his hood's open. Well, I think it passes the angle test. How'd it feel?
You have to bleed the brakes.
That's what I'm saying, there's no brakes. Any rubbing here?
No.
No?
Not really. Like,
Here, go to the end of the street and then now go to the right. Because you went to the left, right?
So cold.
Yeah. It's the cold start isn't, or cold tune isn't very good. Here, park it there. Ackerman all fixed, baby. Close it out, baby.
Take it easy, boys. Take care. Comb your hair. See you next time.